Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and what you see here is the latest offering from Nokia, the Nokia 3.1 Plus. This is the Android One phone, the budget Android One phone for India, and in this video I'm going to quickly unbox this and show you what all you get. Some of the quick features are mentioned here on the box. It says latest Android because it is on Android One program, so at least 2 years you will get software updates. You have 6-inch HD plus display here, which is 18:9. There is a rear dual camera with 13 and 5 megapixel cameras, 8 megapixel front facing camera, a large 3500 mAh battery, fingerprint scanner, and octa-core processor. It comes with a Helio P series chipset P22, and it comes with 2 or 3 GB of RAM options. So there is 16 GB internal memory and 2 GB of RAM, or 32 GB internal memory or 3 GB of RAM. So opening the box, first thing you see is the phone itself. So let me quickly open this up. So here you have the Nokia Android One, the Nokia 3.1 Plus, and it does look quite robust and feels very nice. The matte finish bluish color looks very good here. The top and bottom part looks like plastic, whereas this feels like a metal. And the sides are also, there is a chin of metal and there is metal and glass merging at the edge, which does look quite premium and nice. The glass is 2.5D curved glass, and there's a large 18:9 display, as you can see. So it looks very pretty from the front. Let's see what else is in the box. Here you have a SIM removal tool. You have Nokia documentation, which has user guide, plus there is product safety information, warranty guides, etc. And there is some more accessories here, which are standard accessories. You get a wall charger, which is 5 volt 2 ampere in current rating. So there is a 10 watt charger which has been bundled. There's a large 3500 mAh battery on this phone, and that's the classic Nokia tone. This is the USB type A to micro USB cable, and here you have the standard Nokia earphones. Let me quickly show you the quality, and these are probably the same with most of their phones. These are good quality plugs, and they come with inline microphone. This one does not have a button to accept or reject calls, but nevertheless the quality is good, and there is a 3.5mm jack on this phone. So let me keep everything aside and get back to the phone. So this is how the Nokia 3.1 Plus looks like. This screen does look quite impressive. On top there is an 8 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, Nokia branding, some sensors here, and on the rear is a dual camera setup. There is a 13 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup, LED flash. There is a fingerprint scanner at the back. On the right hand side you have the power wake up key, followed by the volume rockers. On top there is secondary microphone hole, and there is 3.5mm audio port. And on this side you have two trays. Let me pop these open and show you the SIM card tray configurations. So this one is a nano SIM plus a micro SD card tray, and the other one is a nano SIM card tray. So this is the SIM 2. So there is no hybrid SIM business here, which is great. Indians love to carry two SIMs and still have the ability to expand the memory. On the bottom of the phone is the micro USB charging port, two grills, one of which is a speaker grill and one hides the microphone. Let me quickly set up this phone and show you more about the interface. And here we are after quickly setting up the phone, and this is how the display looks. It's quite bright and vibrant. As you can see, this is right now at around 80% brightness. This is with auto brightness on. There is auto brightness sensor. Let me show you the version of Android that we get out of the box. Since this is an Android One phone, you can expect very quick updates. This is Android 8.1, which is running right now, and the phone feels quite responsive. Let me take some camera samples and show you how does the cameras perform. So let's first take a selfie, why not? So let's take a selfie with the front facing 8 megapixel camera, and as you can see, the camera angle is quite wide. And now let's try the rear facing camera. There are multiple modes available. So there is live bokeh or depth of field mode, which uses dual camera. So I've taken a bokeh, I've taken a selfie, and I've taken a standard shot. So let me show you all three of them. This is a bokeh mode, and as you can see, The rear object is nicely blurred out, in fact quite blurred out. This is a regular photo. There seems to be some focus problem, but the focus has gone to the rear object. Nevertheless, the clarity is amazing. As you can see, you can read the text on the box which is there in the background, and this is the shot where the front object is in focus. It's quite sharp. The pictures are coming out to be very impressive, and this is the front facing selfie, which I believe can be better in terms of dynamic range, but in terms of clarity it is great. As you can see, it's picking up very detailed pictures. The frame is quite wide too. You can see the background, the details, the picture on the wall behind me is also visible. So in terms of exposure and everything, it actually does a great job for a budget phone, budget category phone. This is not a very expensive phone. The links and the Best Buy links and the description, etc., and all the details that you want are provided in the description section below this video. There is a Best Buy link. My impressions are very positive. I really like what I see. It feels robust, it is slim, it has a large battery which will easily last 1 to 2 days for most users. It has great set of cameras, a beautiful 18:9 HD plus display. This is a large display, so you can enjoy your movies and multimedia on this. So all in all, a good phone with discrete SIM cards and Nokia's robustness. So just go ahead and pick one up for yourself. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. This is all we have on this first impressions and quick overview video of the Nokia 3.1 Plus. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.